Assalamu alaikum friends, with Garden to Dining we brought a new recipe, Arabian recipe, very delicious and healthy, called malfoof. So we're gonna make malfoof. It's a stuffed herbs, meat and rice in it. So this is how all these ingredients we can put them together and just mix them and keep the filling in the side, and then we can boil the cabbage, the whole cabbage. We're gonna put it in the pot and let it boil, and we're gonna put some cumin seeds in it while boiling. And once you feel it's done, you take the leaves off one by one and then make them cold, and then this is how you're gonna cut them. Like, we don't want the hard part because we're gonna wrap the material in it, so we need a soft part. The hard part we'll keep it in the end to use it as a base in the pot, so the malfoof doesn't burn, or because they are very sensitive, very soft. So we will put the base with these medium parts, and then the sides will wrap with the in them the material. This is how we're gonna wrap, and just keep on, even if the leaf is broken or something, you just keep on wrapping them like that. And as much all in the end you will see they are very beautiful come out, and you're not gonna feel it's broken or anything. So you just have to keep, or even the shapes are weird or whatever, look how I'm gonna fix that and wrap it. And this is how you will keep on filling them up, and in the end you arrange them in the pot. First we're gonna put the base, which is the hard parts. We collect all from the leaves, and then we arrange very tightly all the malfoofs so they don't open while cooking. And then we're gonna pour over them tomato paste. We're gonna blend the tomato paste with a cup of water, and we blend it, and we have to cover all the malfoofs with the water. And then on the high heat in the start, we're gonna put the high heat. When we see the water reducing down, so we will lower the heat until it's reduced totally. And this is how, look at the malfoof, how beautiful they came out. They're not broken, they are in shape, you easy to hold them and eat them. And they are good for parties, they are good for dinner, lunch, and it's healthy. It doesn't have a lot of calories. I used here a brown rice. I sometimes I use the quinoa seeds, and sometimes white rice, but here I used the brown rice just to make it more healthy. And I didn't use any oil in it, so it's just a very nutrition, a healthy meal. I hope you guys like it, and will try the recipe. Don't forget to send me a comments or a picture if you tried. So that will encourage me to bring more good recipes, a delicious food from around the world, a healthy food, party food, finger food, different kind of foods from different countries. And I hope you like my channel and you like my recipe and you will try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye. See you with the new recipe.